and looking at the broadband technology opportunities that are available, including federal funding, I tapped again on smart people like Ted Burgess and said, Ted, what do you think about putting together a consortium of community leaders representing the municipalities, representing education, representing healthcare, representing business through the chamber, and creating a steering committee that can help to develop the vignette of what Fayette County is today and where Fayette County would like to be in the future. And that discussion led to an additional discussion with Virginia and the interest that the chamber has from a business perspective on creating and coordinating and helping to serve as a catalyst for a committee of this nature with living in the new normal. There's nothing new and nothing normal about what we're currently facing. It is drastically different from anything we have ever seen in the past. Most local governments, and all of you are aware, with your own personal businesses, but especially when we look around the metropolitan Atlanta area and we see the types of severe impacts that this recession has had on the delivery of local government services. We've been very fortunate in Fayette County that we haven't had a furlough. We haven't had to lay off anybody at this juncture. But what it tells me is that we can no longer begin to rely on the way we have done things in the past. That we've got to find new and innovative ways to deliver services to our customers. And whether we're a government, whether we're a healthcare institution, whether we're a social services agency, whether we're a chamber, I think is immaterial to the issue that technology will fundamentally and drastically alter the way we deliver our products and services in the years ahead. I know it will for local government. We cannot continue to build buildings and hire more people to deliver the services. We've got to look at significantly changing the way in which we do business. And I think technology is the avenue that will allow us to fundamentally change it and improve it upon what we are currently doing. If I can conduct 90% of my banking transactions electronically from the privacy of my home, behind a computer, there is no reason in the world why we should not be able to give our citizens the capability to conduct the vast majority of their business with local government electronically. There will always be a need for citizens to be able to come into a governmental office to get information, to ask questions, to conduct business. But I truly believe that we can make a significant change in how we approach that. And we started that and have begun that process within Fayette County government. Our water system recently started accepting online payments for the water bills. In an average month, we would cut off for non-payment 250 to 300 residences in this county every single month. By giving the consumer the ability to use a credit card, by giving the consumer the ability to pay online, that number has been reduced by 65%. That is a significant reduction of expenditure because I don't have to have 2 or 3 people going out, cutting off meters, going back out, cutting meters back on, simply through one small change in how we conducted our business within the water system. That if Fayette County is going to be competitive in the future, if we're going to be a community in which we are attractive to business, in which we reduce our costs in delivering services and remain competitive in the new world that we're living in, then I think technology and broadband especially is what we're going to have to address, and we need to do it collectively, because I think if we stovepipe ourselves into individual segments within our community, we're not going to be successful. Synergy that can be created through collaboration with all of our partners working together will give us the opportunity to continue to make Fayette County the envy of the metro Atlanta area and allow us to remain competitive years and years into the future.